Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a super easy recipe for homemade granola. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 cups of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of chopped nuts, I'm using almonds and walnuts, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, you can also use vegetable or canola oil, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of chopped pitted dates, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a big bowl, add the oats, chia seed, and salt, and mix lightly to combine. Add the dates, the cranberries, and the nuts, and mix again. Add the vanilla, add the oil and the honey, and then mix so that everything is very well combined. Once the mixture is ready, transfer to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat, and gently spread the mixture into a thin and even layer. Bake for about 10 minutes and then take it out of the oven, gently stir it, and then spread it out in an even and thin layer. Place it back in the oven and bake for another 8 to 10 minutes until the oats and the nuts are toasted and fragrant, but keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Once the granola is ready, take it out of the oven and leave it in the pan to cool down completely undisturbed for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now the granola has cooled down, so I'm going to use a spoon, you can also use a spatula, to gently start removing the clusters and transfer these into an airtight container. This granola is really yummy. My kids like to eat it plain. They also like to eat it with a little bit of milk. They also add it on top of yogurt, and it's a really healthy snack for them, so it's great to have on hand. Store it in an airtight container and it'll stay good for 2 to 4 weeks. I really hope you give this recipe a try. I am confident that you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments, questions, requests in the comments down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.